the ocean, calm and wide, where seaweed waves and seahorses glide, lived Ollie the Octopus, shy and small, with a heart that dreamed to play for all. He'd tap on shells both day and night, making bubbles bounce with light. Each boom and pop and tap so neat, his rhythm made the sea feel sweet. One sunny wave, Ollie heard a call. The Ocean Orchestra was playing for all, led by Maestro Ollie the Whale, so grand. The best sea creatures formed the band.
Ollie swam fast with drum in tow, his tentacles twirling ready to show. But when he asked if he could play, the whale just smiled and shook.
Not today,
You're sweet young Ollie, but we've no space.
your bubbles might splash in the trumpet's face. Ollie's glow dimmed, his rhythm fell still, and silence followed through the chill. He floated slow through coral maze, his heart was lost in ocean haze. He played a soft and teary beat, a rhythm broke and yet bittersweet pave. Tiny fish stopped, their eyes so wide, they'd never heard such heart inside. And
Though his music came from pain, the ocean whispered, play again. Clack, clack came claws from coral sand. It was Krabby the Crab, tapping a band.
hey there, Ollie, that tune's so fine, let me add a click to your line. Then Finny the fish came swirling in.
Whistling bubbles with a cheeky grin.
Whoop, whoop, bee! He sang with glee, and look, here comes Jelly from under the sea.
Jelly bounced in with glowing pride, her tentacles lighting the ocean wide.
Together they jammed through the reef that day, and the whole sea danced in a musical sway. Turtles twirled, dolphins spun, starfish clapped, what bubbly fun. Even the grumpy eel gave a grin as Ollie's rhythm pulled them in. The coral shook with joyful sound as ocean magic spread all around. Every shell and pebble hum the beat of joy. The sea had gone blue. Far away, Master Wally heard the happiest sound his ears had stirred. He followed the tune through the coral glow, and what he saw made his eyes grow.
There was Ollie, arms swirling high, drumming beats that reached the sky. His friends around all playing strong, their laughter echoed a perfect song.
The whale bowed low, his voice so kind.
Dear Ollie, I was truly blind.
You've shown the sea a brighter tone. Music's best when hearts are known.
So
now every night when tides are low, you'll hear the Ocean Orchestra show. And if you listen with heart so wide, you'll feel the joy from deep inside. For music's magic, bright and true, is made from me and them and you.
every sound, no matter how small, makes the symphony of life come